is Jonathan, and today we're going to learn about finding and fixing bugs. Go find the bug and fix them. When you write codes, it's easy to make mistakes. A mistake that keeps your program from running correctly is called a bug. Finding and fixing bugs is called debugging. The code below contains one or more bugs. To debug it, rearrange the commands into the right order to solve the puzzle. Run the code where the mistakes occur. Identify the command that is in the wrong place, then tap it to select it. Drag the command to the correct location and run the code again to test it. So there's a very useful thing in Swift Playgrounds where you could press on this miles per hour thingy and it shows you step through my code and step slowly and other stuff. I prefer doing step through my code first, see what's wrong with it. So it will move forward, then turn left, move forward, and it's not on the gems. It will collect gem, but it's not collecting anything. It will toggle switch. But there's nothing in front of it, so it can't do that. And there's one problem with it. The move forward is in the wrong place. Delete this move forward and then put it after the first move forward you do, because it has to move forward twice and then turn left so it can move forward and collect the gem and toggle the switch. So you will have to move forward, then you'll step through the code and see if it did right. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!